Did you know that you can create printable worksheets in Farmbrite? Even though Farmbrite offers an offline scout mode to record data when you are out in the field without connection, if you'd prefer to take notes on pen and paper, you can create a worksheet to print and use offline. The concept here is very similar to creating a custom report. You'll actually find this feature under custom reports. The difference here is that you can add blank columns to the report for you to print and then complete offline. We'll choose New Worksheet, and if you've ever created a custom report before, you'll see that this is pretty similar. First, you choose what you'd like to create the worksheet for. These choices control what fields you'll see when you add data to the sheet. Perhaps you're harvesting from your animals or your crops and need to record quantities, or maybe you're adding treatments and want to record what you gave and how it was administered. Maybe you're doing an inventory audit and want to write down exactly what you have in each bin, or need to record the hours and mileage on your equipment. As an example in this video, we'll create one to take livestock measurements. We'll choose livestock and then give our worksheet a name, and then move on to the next tab. This section lets you choose what data to add to the sheet. The top section is where you can choose what existing data to add to the sheet, where the bottom section lets you add blank columns. We'll add some basic identifying animal characteristics here, and then use the blank section to add measurement data. You could even add custom fields in this section if you wanted as well. You can use the next two tabs to optionally refine the results on your worksheet. We might filter this to just display our cattle, but you can also filter by breed, gender, status, and a lot more. You can also choose how to order and group the records. Maybe we want them ordered by name and then grouped by gender. We'll save and see our worksheet generated. We have all of our cows listed here with their identifying characteristics, and then blank columns to the right for us to complete offline. You can print this by clicking the print button, and then take this with you when you go to measure your livestock. After we've completed our measurements, we'd then go back into Farmbrite and input the data that we wrote down. Or alternatively, maybe you add it to a spreadsheet and import it to update your animals. Reach out to us if you have any additional questions about how to use these worksheets.